Interactive product videos are changing the way consumers shop online by offering a virtual, hands-on experience and telling a more compelling product story. But static images have their strengths too, capturing products with clarity and simplicity. So, how do you know when it's time to level up? Interactive videos are a game changer for products loaded with features and functionalities. Seeing the product in action, along with 360 views, allows customers to dive into the details, giving them the in-store feeling online. For clear-cut and familiar products like paper goods, static images will get the job done. Products like apparel that rely on lifestyle imagery and ambiance might not reap the full benefits of interactive product videos. If you're looking for deeper insights into how your customers shop your products, every click on an interactive video tells you more about what your customers want. Want to learn more about how interactive videos can impact your e-commerce strategy? Click the link on your screen.